Hare Krishna, Srila Prabhupada Ki Jai. So this weekend at Soho Street Temple, we'll be exploring more deeply the Yuga Dharma, the chanting of the holy names of the Lord Hare Krishna Maha Mantra from different angles of vision. We want to get a sort of an overview of the different aspects that make up chanting, including prayers, the offenses, how to increase the quality of our chanting, some techniques that may help us to do that, along with hearing the glories of the holy name. And we'll end with a little session on how to improve our japa in a type of workshop atmosphere. So we all know that the chanting of the holy name is the essence of the process of bhakti, and by making our attempt to increase the quality and quantity of chanting, we will get more and more of the mercy of the Lord and become purified from all material attachments and contaminations. So please come. Everyone's invited, and we hope to be able to inspire everyone in their process of chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Srila Prabhupada Ki Jai.